Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it. So I'm a big bag of hit and miss today. So the previous page I wasn't quite able to capture, whereas this page I got it for all three sketches. That's what I'm finding lately. I could have a week of capturing all three, or I could have a week of not really capturing all of them, any of them, beg pardon, or I could have a bit of a mixed day. So it's one of those days, I think. So this is how I have been effectively and efficiently been able to capture very quickly sketches and still capturing the proportions correctly as well. This took 3.5 minutes, this sketch took 2 minutes 20 seconds, and this took 2.5 minutes. Geometric and observational methods were utilised while sketching, along with good speed, creating the feedback loop. This is important in this part. This is where you get your information to basically critique yourself and where you went wrong or where you went right. So yeah, I'm really happy with all of them. Let me know what you think and get back to me. Thanks guys.